Good morning. Here's our Aston Martin DB9 Volante, and we are looking inside and right at the heart of this car to address a couple questions that people had, wanting us to look a little bit closer and show you some of the details and the true condition of some of the little things that are known to be problem areas on the DB9. Unfortunately, space is a little bit at a premium because we have another beautiful Ian Callum designed British sports car right in front of it, but we're gonna get close in. We're gonna show you the grille here. So one of the commenters pointed out some potential flaking in the grille, which seems to be a common issue. And as hopefully you can see, so right here you can see this edge that is I think where my finger is right now is the higher, is the finish itself, and underneath here the rest of the way is what has flaked off. If what I'm feeling is correct, I will say it looks pretty consistent. There are a couple of spots like right here where there's a little bit of left over that hasn't properly flaked off, if that's the way to describe it. But it's really closer to the edges here that you can see any of the leftover, if that is the leftover finish there. And then, yeah, you can see a little bit on the edge over here. So some of that, I guess most of that finish has flaked off, but it still has this nice, bright, shiny look to it. Let me go around to the other side. Got a lot of cars, got a lot of cool things in the way here, but we will go in over to this side and give you a better look at the grille over here. It's kind of the same, where over on the edge some of that finish has remained, but most of this is this nice shiny finish. But you can see where these edges are, like right here is where some of the flaking has occurred. And then, so like from the edge of the grille here to about right there, you can see a pretty well-defined flaking there. And then same thing, you can get my camera to focus a little bit better right here. So pictures may have made it look pretty good, and probably to your eye it will as well. But once we get close up here and show you where that flaking has occurred. So hopefully that gives you a better idea. But to the eye, it still is this pretty nice shiny finish here. Show you the headlights a little bit. It's kind of, maybe the camera makes it look a little bit more extreme, but you can see kind of how the lens of the headlight has held up. Just want to show you from different angles, especially with the polarization of the pictures that I took. It may, that rainbow effect that you see with a polarizer. So this is how it sits right now in the light. And so there you go there. Let me sneak back, show you the other side. See if we can get the proper light to hit it. I mean, it's pretty clear. It's not gonna affect visibility or anything like that, but just want to show you how it sits at the moment. There was another question about what I believe to be this bar here. So if you look here, there's no cracking, nothing to be concerned about. But then there's that small crack right there. So if this is the grill support bar, I'm not sure what the wording used was. If that is what was in question, wouldn't be concerned about any of that. It looks to be doing its job pretty well. So, but overall, that's how the grill looks, that nice shiny finish against that dark blue paint. But you can see certainly where I pointed out some flaking in the finish, which is apparently quite common, but certainly does not really detract from the appearance of the car, but it's just something to be aware of. So that is a quick look at the front of our Aston Martin DB9 Volante. Thanks for watching.